iZotope Ozone Advanced is a comprehensive audio mastering suite designed to elevate music production to professional standards. Renowned for its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly interface, Ozone Advanced offers a range of tools and features tailored for mastering engineers, producers, and audio enthusiasts. It integrates seamlessly into any digital audio workstation, making it an essential tool for refining and polishing music tracks. At its core, Ozone Advanced provides an array of powerful modules, including equalizer, maximizer, imager, and dynamic EQ. Each module is designed to address specific aspects of the mastering process, ensuring that tracks achieve clarity, balance, and punch. The software employs advanced processing algorithms to deliver precise control over audio dynamics, tonal balance, and stereo imaging, allowing users to craft a professional-grade sound with ease. One of the standout features of Ozone Advanced is its AI-driven master assistant. This tool analyzes the audio track and provides tailored recommendations for mastering settings, taking into account the genre and desired output format. The master assistant significantly reduces the time and effort required to achieve a polished sound, making it a valuable feature for both beginners and professionals. It ensures consistency and quality across multiple tracks, which is particularly useful for album mastering. The software also includes advanced metering tools, such as the tonal balance control and the loudness meter. These features provide real-time visual feedback on the audio spectrum, ensuring that tracks meet industry-standard loudness levels and tonal balance requirements. The ability to compare your mix with reference tracks further enhances the mastering process, allowing users to fine-tune their work to match professional standards. Overall, iZotope Ozone Advanced is an indispensable tool for anyone serious about audio mastering. Its blend of advanced features, intuitive design, and intelligent automation makes it a favorite among music professionals worldwide. Whether you're working on a single track or a full album, Ozone Advanced provides everything you need to achieve a polished, radio-ready sound that stands out in today's competitive music landscape.